ChatGPT has captured the attention of everyone and became one of the internet buzzword. Welcome to this another discovery with ChatGPT. This is a Chrome extension with ChatGPT. If you go to the upper right side of the YouTube video, you can see the transcript and summary, and if you scroll the arrow down, you can see the ChatGPT icon at the top. And if you're going to click this, you will be redirected to the ChatGPT interface. And when you are here, you can do a lot of things. ChatGPT can able to explain what it's all about, can summarize the video, and you can do anything like analysis of the video. Alright, so let's just wait for a few seconds. And you can also ask ChatGPT to create a script. Create a script on how to build an AI application using JavaScript, and then just press enter. And this is a script produced by ChatGPT. And if you follow the instruction, you can create an application using JavaScript. Okay? Do you know that you can also create a video based on this script provided by ChatGPT? Alright, copy the article provided by the ChatGPT and paste it in Pictory. Do some necessary changes and modification, after which you need to click Proceed. Choose the template that we preferred and wait for a few minutes to generate the video. Google Chrome extension. Google Chrome is one of the most useful browsers because of its seamless performance, aside from having so many extensions, which makes everything fast and easy to use. And this is the installation. This is the guide on how you can install the YouTube Summary Chrome extension. Okay, so just go to the description of this video so you can follow this instruction. Alright, let's go back to Pictory to add AI voice, then click on Generate to finish the video. Go back to YouTube video and you can do anything you want to do with the YouTube Summary with ChatGPT.
Start by installing the necessary dependencies. This includes Node.js, which is needed to run JavaScript on the server side, as well as any libraries or frameworks that you plan to use. Next, create a new folder for your project and initialize it as a Node.js project. This can be done by running npm init in the command line. Use a package manager like npm or yarn to install the OpenAI JavaScript SDK. This SDK will allow you to access the GPT-3 model and utilize its capabilities in your application. Create a new JavaScript file for your application and import the OpenAI SDK. You will also need to set up an API key for the OpenAI API. Define the functionality of your application by creating functions that utilize the capabilities of the GPT-3 model. For example, you may want to create a function that takes user input and generates a response using the GPT-3 model. Create an HTML file to serve as the user interface for your application. Use JavaScript and CSS to create an elegant and user-friendly interface. Use Node.js and a framework like Express to set up a server for your application. This will allow users to access your application through a web browser. Test your application by running it on a local server and making sure that it is functioning as expected. Once your application is complete, deploy it to a hosting platform such as Heroku or AWS. This will allow others to access your application through the internet. Finally, share your application with others and continue to improve and update it as needed. Note: this is a simplified version of what an AI application build would look like. The actual process is more complex, and would require more steps and more knowledge in the field.